MacBooks, the epitome of technological genius and innovation. These sleek and powerful devices have taken the world by storm, captivating users and leaving them in awe of their unmatched fame. But what exactly are MacBooks famous for? Let's dive into the incredible world of MacBooks and unveil their secrets. First and foremost, MacBooks are renowned for their exceptional performance. Powered by cutting-edge processors and advanced hardware, they deliver lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or running complex software, MacBooks never fail to impress. But it's not just raw power that sets MacBooks apart. They're also celebrated for their stunning display quality. With vibrant colors, sharp details, and unparalleled clarity, MacBooks provide an immersive visual experience like no other. From watching movies to editing photos, every pixel comes to life, making your content truly shine. Another noteworthy feature of MacBooks is their unrivaled battery life. With long-lasting power, you can work, play, and create without ever worrying about running out of juice. From morning meetings to late-night brainstorming sessions, MacBooks are there for you every step of the way. MacBooks are also famous for their user-friendly interface and intuitive operating system. With macOS, navigating through apps and organizing your workflow becomes effortless. And let's not forget the seamless integration with other Apple devices. With features like AirDrop and Handoff, you can effortlessly transfer files and continue your work across all your Apple devices. Now, let's talk about design. MacBooks are true works of art, meticulously crafted to perfection. With sleek and slim profiles, they exude elegance and sophistication. And not only are they aesthetically pleasing, but they're also built to endure. With durable materials and sturdy construction, MacBooks are ready to accompany you on all your adventures. Last but certainly not least, MacBooks are synonymous with security. With advanced security features built in, such as Touch ID or Face ID, your personal data is protected like a fortress. From online transactions to safeguarding your files, MacBooks prioritize your privacy and peace of mind. In conclusion, MacBooks have earned their fame for good reason. They offer unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, long-lasting battery life, user-friendly interfaces, impeccable design, and top-of-the-line security. So why settle for anything less when you can experience the incredible world of MacBooks? Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content and stay up to date with the latest tech trends.